So here's how to set Microsoft Office as default application in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for the settings. There you have it. So open this up, and then from the left side you need to go to the apps, and then from here you need to select the default apps. Now you need to search for the apps. Let me just search for the Word and open this up, and then as you can see, set file types as default. So all of the file types has been default as Word. So to change the default types, you can simply select and change the types of the folder file. So all these files are set as default as Word. So don't worry about that. You need to go back and search for the Excel again. Simply select the Excel, and now from here you need to select all of these as Excel. So for OQY, we can see that this file type is selected as default as notebook, but we don't want that. We want Excel to be our main target. So we will select that one and choose the one that you want. So we'll go with the Word, and once again we'll go to the Word, which is under the Office section. Then again search for the PowerPoint. There you go. So now all the file types has been selected as PowerPoint. Don't worry about that. So lastly, the Access. Here is the Access. We'll go and select all of these default apps as Access. So that's how you can default file types as Access. So as you can see, guys, all the file types defaultly open with the Access. So that's how you can simply set Microsoft Office as default application in Windows 11. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.